friend, this is Shafaqat Ali and welcome to Technical Skillz YouTube channel. In this video we will understand the interface of Android Studio. I have already created a project in Android Studio. You can see on the left side all the files of the project are available. The first file is manifest. When you double click on this file, it will be open on the center of the Android Studio. What is manifest file? Manifest file will contain all the activity details. You can see I have only one activity right now, main activity. The name of main activity is mentioned here. This is the launcher activity. You can see here. What is launcher activity? Launcher activity, when you open your app, first activity will be open main activity. This is called launcher activity. The second file is main activity. Every project have two main files, Java class file and XML file. When you double click on main activity, it also be open in the center of Android Studio. You have to write code for backend. When you double click on XML file, it also will be open here. You have to write code for user interface. And when you click on preview, you can see user interface is available here. And when you click on design, all the modules are available. You simply drag and drop to create any user interface. You can see here. Here all the attributes are available. You can set your margin, set your text name, etc. The next thing is that driver folder. Driver folder contain all the images and IC launchers and background. The next file is layout. Layout, I have already told you about user interface. This is theme. And the next file is map folder. Map folder is contain all the launcher and icons. You can see. And the next folder is value folder. Value folder contain three files, color, string and style. In color file, you have to mention your color. You can see that is used in our app. And the string file, you have to create any array, any name, any data store. And in style file, you have to select your Appbar theme and you have to mention your color name. When you scroll down at the bottom of these files, build.gradle module app file. Double click on this. You can see all the dependency are available here. You need to write any dependency for any module. When you create any new module in your app, you need to write your dependency here. Here you can select your emulator or any device and here you run your project. This is our Android interface. In next video, we will create a user interface in Android Studio. So see you in next video. Take care. Bye.